welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. Just remember, please do remain seated with all hands on the seat legs firmly inside the train at all times. And there is no eating and drinking while aboard the train. Thank you so much and enjoy the ride.
On our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve, and not just because we're on the straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
Yeah, you do sit on a bike.
You just sit on a bike?
Yeah, yeah. It goes to 60 miles an
I
hour.
love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the morning. But I'm still
No, you have to take off your hat. Anything bigger than a phone has to go in a locker.
Unidentified users detected in public conduit area. Scanning.
It's really fun.
Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required.
Yeah, people are comparing it to velocities. Yeah, there's a lot.
That's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say, sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
Friends, please make sure that all hands, arms, feet, and legs are inside the train at all times. Thank you so much.
Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station. Welcome to Main